welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve this question number 2 from exercise 2.5 chapter 2 polynomials class 9th. We have already done question number 1, so you can watch that video if you don't know the identities or anything like that. Memorize all the identities because that is going to help you in all the questions from 2.5. Let's read this one. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Now you can see numbers and you can see you have to multiply them. So usually what we do, we multiply like this. Yes, we have learned this multiplication, but now this time in this question you have been asked to do the multiplication to give the product but without actually multiplying the numbers. How can we do that? We are going to use suitable identities. First part is 103 into 107. Now for this, can I write this 103 as 100 plus 3? Yes. And 100 plus 7 as 107 as 100 plus 7. Here we can see it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Now what is the expansion? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So what is our x in the formula? If we compare these two brackets with these two, we have x as 100, right? And as a we have 3. As a we have 3 and as b we have 7. So these are all the values. Putting all these here, 100 square because x is 100, a plus b into x, that means 7 plus 3 into x, x is 100, plus ab, that means 3 into 7. Here you have 10,000 after multiplying 100 by 100, or 100 square is this. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 into 100 is 1000 and 21. Add all these, we are going to get 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. It is 21, 0, 1 and 1. 1, 1, 0, 2, 1 is the product of these two numbers. So if we do the usual multiplication, can we check this whether we have got the right answer? We can check like this by usual multiplication, if in case, because you can't do this thing in question in your fair one, you have to do this in your rough part. Here multiply it 21, so 271 7030001 131011. We have got 1 2 10 11021. So this was a check. If in case you doubt your answer, you can check like this. You can correct the mistakes then. Okay, so this was a check. Now coming on to next part. Second one is 95 into 96. Now in this one also we are going to apply x plus a into x plus b. How can we write this 95 into 96? 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6? Or we can also write it as 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. Whichever way you like. But of course, why we are not going to do this one? It is because it simply needs a little bit more calculation than this one. Okay, so we always choose numbers like 100 or 1000 because they are very easy to calculate, right? Rather than using numbers like 90 or 95 or 92, they need much more calculation than this one. So we try taking base as 100, right? So I'm rubbing this part, but if you will be taking 90, that will not be wrong. I would not say it is wrong, but I would say choose this one. Now if I choose this one, x minus 5, 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4, we have to treat it as x plus a and x plus b. Now, these two things are not in positive sign, they are in negative. So, how can we write them as x plus a and x plus b? Just write 100 plus minus 5, right? And 100 plus minus 4. So, here now we have x as 100, a as minus 5 if we compare these two, b as minus 4. Taking all these values, applying on the expansion. I am going to rub this. 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. Formula for x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is plus. Okay. Now, applying this one, x square. X we have 100 and 100 square is the first term. Now, a plus b into x, minus 4 plus minus 4 into x, x is 100, plus minus 5 into minus 4. 100 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus this will become minus 9, right? Plus minus, minus 5, minus 4, minus 9. So, it will be minus 9 into 100, minus 900. And this one will be plus 20, right? Here it is. Now, you can see we have these two terms with plus sign. So, we are going to add them. This will be 1020 minus 900 according to BODMAS. Please do all the question using BODMAS. Minus 900. What are we going to get? 10020 minus 900. Quick. 02190. 9120 is the answer. Okay. In the third one, we have 104 into 96. Now here, taking 100 as base, can I write 104 as 100 plus 4? And taking 100 as base, I can write 96 as 100 minus 4. Can I? Yes. So, you can clearly see it is in the form of x plus y into x minus y, which expands as, which is nothing but x square minus y square. Now, what is our x here? 100. And what is our y here? 4. I told you not to take the sign. We are only going to pick up y. X square is 100 square minus y square is 4 square. We have 1000 minus 16. We have 10000 and 16. 48990. So we are done with question number 2. I will be doing the next question in the next video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel. You can comment me in the comment box if you have any query, any doubt in this question, as well as any new question to ask. Till then, bye bye, take care.